Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am your host Vishakha Thakur. So it's Monday. Today we bring latest updates from the Main Street, a bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity and the fresh deals struck during this week. Well, we have collated deals from varied segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments and also benefit from the action taking place in this space. But before we start, here are a few interesting stats worth mentioning. The number of crypto venture capital deals declined significantly in the fourth quarter of 2024, indicating that investors are becoming more selective in allocating funds. So according to PitchBook's Crypto VC Trends report, crypto VC deals dropped 46% in quarter 4 2024, from 653 in quarter 1 to 351. And despite fewer deals, quarter 4 investment volume rebounded to $2.6 billion, a 13% increase from quarter 3. Now, in 2024, the Web3 sector received $2.1 billion in VC investments in 142 deals, the highest of all sectors. Well, the access sector, which includes asset management, exchanges, wallets, research and data tools, received $1 billion in 70 deals, while decentralized finance received $714 million in about 80 deals. Meanwhile, BlackRock has increased its stake in Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, from 4.09% to 5%, acquiring 1.78 million additional shares, and its total holding now stands at 11.26 million shares, worth over $3.67 billion at current prices. So now let's have a look at the first deal of the day. First on the list we have Truefoundry. Truefoundry, an enterprise platform for machine learning and AI, has secured $19 million in a Series A round led by chipmaker Intel's investment arm, Intel Capital. And existing investors including PeakXV's Surge also participated in the round. The California-based startup, which also has an office in Bengaluru, said the round saw participation from existing New York-based investor ENIAC Ventures and new investor Jump Capital. So several angel investors include Gokul Rajaram, Mohit Aaron, Cian Bannister, and executives from various Fortune 1000 companies joined the round. So with the latest round of financing, the startup has raised $21 million in a mix of venture and angel funding to date. The fresh funding will enable Truefoundry in developing a universal platform to build and deploy AI applications with zero infrastructure hassles and enable the expansion of its team and double down its customer acquisition efforts. Moving on, Reservoir, a crypto infrastructure startup that enables token trading for apps across blockchains, has raised $14 million in a Series A funding round. So Union Square Ventures led the round with participation from Coinbase Ventures, Variant, Archetype, 1KX and others. As part of the deal, Nick Grossman, a partner at Union Square Ventures, joined Reservoir's board. Reservoir co-founder and CEO Peter Watts told The Block. The Series A funding round brings Reservoir's total capital raised to $26 million. The startup previously raised $10 million in a seed round led by Archetype in late 2022 and $2 million in a pre-seed round led by Variant in 2021. Moving on, Holonym Foundation, a zero-knowledge digital identity project, is expanding its network through the acquisition of the identity verification platform Gitcoin Passport. So Holonym has acquired Gitcoin Passport in a $10 million deal to scale its DID or decentralized identity tools as part of its Human.Tech suite. The acquisition, finalized in the late 2024, combines Gitcoin Passport's proof of humanity system with Holonym's human network, which leverages zero-K technology for privacy-focused on-chain reputation. And as part of the acquisition, Gitcoin Passport will rebrand to Human Passport to better reflect its status as a proof of humanity solution, which enables individuals to verify their identity without disclosing sensitive personal data. Moving on to the next important deal of the week, Mechanism Capital led a $4 million funding round for Mirai Labs, which makes up the firm's total funding to date. OAK Grove Ventures, the Fawn Foundation, Seleni Capital, Bitscale Capital, Manifold, Rubik Capital, Protagonist, Lava and other investors supported the round, according to a release shared with The Block. So Mirai Labs is developing a crypto-focused AI agent product called Partner. Partner-led AI agents execute consumer-facing crypto tasks such as managing wallets, learning the user's needs over time. The firm plans to bolster its team of engineers specializing in AI, machine learning, and programming language Rust, with its fresh financing in addition to launching partner vaults publicly in the near future. Moving on, Ethereum security platform Reservoir raised $3.25 million in fresh financing, bringing the firm's total funding raised to $4.75 million, while Greenfield Capital led the round, which saw additional support from Anagram, Paper Ventures, Addington Capital, UDHC, and Pulsar. And the firm builds out smart contract infrastructure called Traps, which detects and cancels out threats on the Ethereum network. But Reservoir plans to use the funds raised to continue developing Traps, invest in growing its community, and research expanding on to other EVM-compatible chains. In addition, Reservoir plans to prepare for the launch of its mainnet in the second quarter of this year. That's all in this episode of Deal Corner. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code.